Hello, my wonderful farmers. Yesterday, I got a call from one farmer who had challenges of low production. Low production, I mean laying beds of low egg production. So, upon analyzing the history that the farmer gave, I realized that there was overcrowding and then poor ventilation. Overcrowding and poor ventilation. So these are very crucial factors in poultry production. You should always be sure of the floor size before stocking your birds. The recommended floor space is 2 feet square per bed, but the minimum you can go is 1.5 square feet per bed. So this farmer had like 600 birds. So ideally, wanted the birds to be very comfortable, 1,200 feet square. But the minimum would be 900 square feet. But unfortunately, looking at the history, the video he sent me, it was clear that there was overcrowding, which was affecting his production, because overcrowding can cause heat stress, and once there's heat stress, they'll be drinking in more water, which is good. If they drink more water, it is very good. But in this case, because they'll be excreting more, the litter will be wet very fast, and then when you do not take out the litter, it's going to build up ammonia gas, and then it is going to cause respiratory infection and a lot of discomfort for the birds. So this would in turn affect egg production. So it is ideal that you always have good ventilation, and his ventilation was also not good. The area around the pen, that should have been allow air to come. Some parts were closed, so it is important to allow for a lot of air to come into come and go. The air should be in circulation. Once fresh air comes, then the bad air leaves. So there should be ventilation around all the four corners of the pen. But in his case, it wasn't like that. So I gave him advice to check his management and then make sure that these things are properly checked, and it could help to revamp his egg production. So anybody who is into poultry farming, please make sure that you take these things into consideration so that it doesn't affect your egg production. It is very important to take them into consideration because the birds need a lot of comfort